G'day viewers, well this one is in the tester now. Oh Lord, I forgot about this meter. This is the last email meter for sure. What about a top STM? Turn that off, there we go. D12K40. The three LEDs have got a photo how they wire up. This is wired up by default in this configuration, how I always wire them up. This one is a neutral going to, that's a normal neutral, which goes through a black wire which goes to these LEDs. If the front had to power those up, I get a load to put in series, I didn't see what it does. They've got a black wire that taps off the one of the potential coils, so it's powered by a step down somewhere. There's no sensor on the disc either, so it picks off by one of these current coils and those little windings and goes in there to pick up where it works. I might wire this in series with a load to see what happens. Find a small load to put in series with it if I got anything here. If not, well, I don't think I have got nothing actually to put in there, so I can't really do it. No, I don't know if I got it. I'll try, see what I got. Alright, power the LEDs up. Beautiful. That's what it was. And a careful observation in case I power the LEDs up. Bonus. 15 amp again max. I'm on a high rate. I'll disconnect this and it goes at a low rate and the LEDs are off. Interesting. See? So I'm going to put a switch between here, these last two. The time switch goes in there. It goes in the low rate by default when that's not connected. But the LEDs are off. Interesting layout of this meter. Too much. $15. 14.7 amps. Don't go too much more than that. Don't want to break it. Halfway through on the 6 and the 7 on the Iskra. And it's halfway through on here. That's a 9. They just stay on by default. How do I pulse them? Well, that might need an optical sensor. It's just a photo, one of those photo receiver ones that I like Rusty Motor did. I've got one with the circuit boards up here to do that with actually. This one just has the 3 LEDs on the potential coils. That, like a wiring on the potential coils I must pick up from somehow. Let's move a little bit, yeah. So same speed, 266.6 joules a kilowatt hour, 3 phase, 2.5 to 15 amp CT, 4 Hz, 50 Hz, 240 volt. Wow. It's moved 100 watt hours. Is that 9 moved 100 watt hours too? Those lines, there's tiny little lines right on the end of that wheel. You have to look real closely to count them. I'm going to get in front of the camera here of yours. It is moving. Yeah, it's the same, mate. It's moving the same as the Iskra. Damn, it's hard to keep up. That lines are so small. 1/10. That's a 1/10 wheel. There's no hidden digit behind here. This is every digit shown on this meter. It's got a 1/10. Interesting how the 1/10 works in this one though. 0, so that's halfway through, and this is halfway through. Interesting. Yeah, the CT ones, I do need to use the correct CTs to test them with for accuracy. And shadow over the LED so they can see them better. No, they're all the same, right? They just all 3 light up. I think this is just a phase indicator. So if a phase drops, one LED goes out. That's what they're for. Yeah, I think I need the CT for this one. Yeah, they're phase indicators. All my phases are live, so that's what they are. That's what they're for. Yeah, they don't pulse at all. So any of the phases drop out, any one of those LEDs could be off. So that's like what the smart meters they got. The A, B and C phase indicators. hard to tell now, because 1/10 of a kilowatt hour is one notch on this number wheel here. 1 digit is 1/10 of a kilowatt hour on that one. So they have a dial point, that's just an actual wheel, number wheel was a 1/10. Yeah, this one need a CT to do it with for sure, I think. More modern tow on the cover on this one, it's fully detailed inside. How to wire these up. So it's a 4-wire 3-phase. With 2 register, it tells you where everything connects. In this case, I've got to switch here to active, to switch the tariff on up and down. Three-phase, 3-wire with set current transformer and voltage transformer. I don't have any voltage transformer ones yet. Voltage transformer ones would be a challenge if they'll probably most likely be 110 volts. Now they're proper substation ones, which yeah, I haven't come across any yet. Let's see, it's 1/100th of a watt hour, and this seems to have moved 1/100th of a watt hour. Hard to tell. Yeah, a CT, you've got to use a current transformer to do a good proper test, I think. See, loose numbers, you tap them. Yeah, I'll need to use the CTs for sure. My coils are good, I can see their coils when they're overloaded and they're not. So, good thing about the clear case, you can just carefully monitor things. 14, 15.1 amps, 14.9. Yeah, that's alright. She's not too overloaded at all, it's good. There you go, so 2.5 to 15 amp CT, 166 to 5. Almost there on the Iskra. Yeah, I'd say so, it's keeping up. So these are my phases. Any of these get de-energized, any of these lights can go off, indicate a phase has dropped. That's what they're for. There's one, okay, that's, yes, that's the only email I got. I saved the relays for last, I think. The rest are all Lennis and guys. Yeah, that loose number wheel characteristic of those mechanical types of registers. I like the colourful, colour-coded gears in that too. Plastic gearing. Looks really cool. You can see them all turning from here. Wow, how cool is that? Really cool. Hear it humming, it's fully loaded, that's it. 15 amps is maximum I can put through that on a direct wired installation. Zero it off. Unplug safety first. Alright, this won't need much to clean, just a light dusting and that's it. Alright, nice and clean. Look at those gears, looks really cool. Real nice. Blue, yellow, white, orange, green. Cool colour coding in the gearing, and they're real cool. There we are. Thanks for watching.